This is a 2007 BMW X3. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a cold weather package, a sunroof, heated seats, an 8-speaker stereo system, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Phil Long Ford of Denver is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7887 West Tufts Avenue in Denver.